Imagine floating in the absolute silence of deep space. Everything feels calm, but billions of miles away, there is a place where the laws of nature are not just broken, they are shattered. A place where time stands still, and even light, the fastest thing in the universe, is imprisoned forever. Welcome to the domain of a black hole. For decades, these cosmic abysses have been the greatest mystery of modern astronomy. They are the ultimate ghosts of the universe. Today, on Beyond Earth Docs, we are not just observing them from afar. We are going on a journey through the event horizon to discover what happens when you fall into the darkness. Pack your bags for the ultimate trip, because there is no coming back. To enter a black hole, you must cross the event horizon. Think of it as the universe's most exclusive exit-only door. Once you touch this invisible boundary, the laws of gravity change forever. You are no longer navigating through space. You are navigating through destiny. At this point, the pull of the black hole is so immense that to break free, you would need to travel faster than the speed of light. Since that is impossible, crossing this line means you are now trapped. From the outside, your ship might look like it's just drifting, but for you, the universe behind you is starting to distort. The stars seem to stretch into long ribbons of light, and the silence becomes heavy. This is where the science gets truly mind-bending. According to Albert Einstein's general relativity, massive gravity doesn't just bend space, it bends time itself. This is called gravitational time dilation. Imagine you are wearing a clock on your ship. As you get closer to the black hole, your clock ticks normally for you. But for an observer back on Earth, time behaves differently. They would see your ship slowing down. The closer you get to the edge, the slower your ship moves in their eyes. You would appear to freeze on the edge of the abyss, fading away into nothingness. You become a permanent ghost in their history books. But inside your ship, you are still moving, still falling, and the mystery only deepens. So, you have crossed the point of no return. You have watched time freeze for the rest of the universe. Now, you are falling toward the singularity. This is the moment of the spaghettification. It sounds funny, but it is a violent, terrifying process. Because the black hole is so dense, the gravitational force at your feet is drastically stronger than at your head. The difference is so extreme that your body would be stretched vertically and compressed horizontally. Within milliseconds, you would be pulled into a long, thin string of atoms, a cosmic noodle, miles long. Any spaceship would be torn apart atom by atom. The forces are simply too immense for any matter to hold its shape. Assume for a moment that your ship is made of unknown material and you survive the stretch. You fall deeper into the darkness and finally reach the absolute center. What is there? This is the singularity. It is a point of infinite density. A star millions of times larger than our sun has been crushed into a space smaller than an atom. Here, the laws of physics that we use to build skyscrapers or send rockets to the moon simply stop working. Space and time cease to exist as we know them. It is the ultimate dead end, or perhaps the ultimate doorway. We have reached the center of the beast. Is the singularity really the end? Some theoretical physicists suggest that it could be a doorway to a white hole, the opposite of a black hole, or perhaps a wormhole, a shortcut to another galaxy, another dimension, or even a different universe entirely. We may never know because the black hole guards its secrets behind an unbreakable wall of gravity. But one thing is certain, our universe is far stranger, more violent, and more beautiful than we can imagine. Thank you for joining this journey beyond our world. If you enjoyed this trip into the void, subscribe to Beyond Earth Docs for more cosmic mysteries. Keep looking at the stars and stay curious.